black native Switchyion just got hit with some serious charges. Caught with 2 modified Glocks, each with a silencer and a switch. Now, if you know the feds, that's automatic weapon territory, meaning real time. Not probation, not county. We're talking federal. Switchyion, who's said to be an alleged O-Block affiliate, was said to have been arrested after the cops recovered the heavily modified pistols. This ain't no small charge either. Glock switches and silencers? That's machine gun status under federal law. So the question is, will he beat the case? Or is this another chapter of O-Block members getting taken down by the feds one by one?